In this section, I want to talk about a couple things not to do when giving your cat medication. The first one is trying to hide their medication in their daily food. The problem with this is a lot of medications are bitter and it can cause food aversion. So if we're going to try and hide medication in food, I recommend it being either like a churro stick or a type of canned food that we haven't had before, something other than our daily food, so that we don't cause that food aversion and cause them not to eat. Another thing that I don't recommend is continuing to try if we continue to have issues giving medication. Sometimes we just need to take a break and let the cat rest, relax, give them some time and try again, because it gets really stressful for them if we just continue, and sometimes they can bite or scratch when they don't mean to, just because they're frustrated, you're frustrated, it's not going well. Another thing that I would like to talk about is just, again, talking to your vet. If you're having trouble with a medication, please reach out to us. There are so many options nowadays for giving medication. Sometimes we can get flavored medication. There's liquid medications. There's gel caps that you can put medications in, especially if you're trying to give multiple medications at a time. There are different treats that you can put medications in that work really well. The one I had used earlier in the series is the Royal Canin Pill Assist. Really the only reason I recommend this one is it's guaranteed, so if your pet doesn't like it, you can purchase it here and return it if they don't like it. But there's all kinds of different ones over the counter. There's pill wrap, there's Greenies pill pockets, there's all kinds of different ones out there. But they can make a huge difference in hiding that bitterness that certain medications have. Sometimes you'll notice that your pet will start like salivating or drooling, or even vomit if a medication is too bitter and they taste it on their tongue. So I highly recommend trying, if we're going to try and hide it in something, pill pockets are my favorite. Otherwise, again, those churro sticks, or like a pate canned food if we make like a little tiny meatball to put it in, of something that is not their day-to-day food, because we don't want to cause that food aversion. Stay tuned for part 4 on how to give ear medication, and there will be a part on how to give eye medication as well.